Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you're good. This is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life with the 2024 31-day Smashbook Challenge. We are on day 14. Yesterday it was places I want to go, and today is where I have traveled. And when I'm first going to start doing this, I was going to print off like every little state, like the picture of the outline of the state, but I realized I don't have enough room. So what I did is I just kind of listed them where I have traveled. I have been to Michigan, Illinois, Minnesota, Missouri, Iowa, Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, Arkansas, Oklahoma, Tennessee, West Virginia, Virginia, Alabama, South Carolina, North Carolina, Georgia, Florida, and Mississippi. I have been to 19 states of 50. I kind of was looking at the map going, I only kind of stayed in one direction. If you look on the map, I didn't go that direction. I just went down from Wisconsin. Oh, I can't say that. I've been to 20 states of 50. I have to change that. I didn't even count my own state. So I've been to 20. Yeah. So. Cool. I forgot to count my own state. There we go. Wisconsin. That's where I live. That's where I'm from. Born and bred. So I've been to 20 states of 50. That's not bad, I think. I mean, how many people can say they've been to 20 of the 50 states? I think that's pretty good, actually. So I want to thank you for watching for today's. Make sure you check out my Crafty Styles and Sandy and see what they came up with. And I will talk to you later. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.